Meet the Jenson Bay hot tub from Blue Whale Spa, the ultimate in style and relaxation. With 2 inviting lounges and 75 jets, it's perfect for any occasion and all your family gatherings or friends getting together. Enjoy a therapeutic massage from powerful pumps heated by a 3-kilowatt heater. 18 mesmerizing LEDs create a magical evening ambience. Add a 10-inch waterfall and 5 fountains for a backyard paradise. With built-in Bluetooth sound system and enhanced insulation, enjoy a warm soak all year round to your favorite tunes. Free delivery and installation anywhere in the UK mainland, our expert and friendly teams make it hassle-free. Also included with every order, you get a free insulating hot tub cover and matching steps. Transform your backyard with the Jenson Bay hot tub, available at Blue Whale Spa.